Welcome back, you guys. We're gonna be doing a racing video with my brother. So we're gonna be going around the yard, backyard racing. So let's get on to it. I'm gonna be in the back of the truck. I'm gonna be fighting. This is what happened in the windstorm we just had. It's still windy out, so it might be a little bit statically.
Oh, you weren't lying, huh?
They both fell at the same time. I'm gonna be in the back of the truck, and we're gonna be racing. So we're gonna get on to it. You might just log and cut the hunt too.
Thank you for subscribing to my brother. He is my brother, Total Andrew.
Yes. Okay. Don't do that. Hey, you want to put something in front of that? He's on the top, on the model road. Line up, you know where to line up, right, Morgan?
Yeah, I'm gonna make one.
No, you know where to line up. Stop. It sounds like I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to hunt on. There's one coming right now here. So. I'm gonna do a lot of stuff to hunt on. Oh wait, V-train. Be careful, go that way, Martin. Is it ready? 2. Probably gonna go that way. Thank you. That's one of the largest touches in IPL. Should be about a couple more coming out. We're doing them all to hunt if we can. So if you hear any more voice, stop the race, we'll go sit them hunt. So we'll be back. There he is going up the hill. Big beam train forward, horn, blowing it right up the hill. And let's talk to my papa for a minute. Yeah, hands up. Oh my god. You lighting that going up the hill. Hi, Papa. You hear it? Going up the hill? All the way up the hill. Right up to the top of the top hunting. Yeah, if you look at my YouTube channel, you'll see it happen. It's all on YouTube. The lighting truck coming up the hill, blowing the horn. Just help about the lighting truck. I know back up. And if we hear any more, we'll start the race for William Hunt for you. His name is Chip. Chip. Don't start this YouTube channel. I don't know if he has one. He is a. Why did I say that? I'm not saying anything about him today. I don't know if he's gonna be watching my YouTube channel. So I'm not gonna say nothing. So we're starting the race now. Oh. And then we start. I'll post this video and then we start this video too.